Ooh, I like it. You guys, did I do this on purpose or is this coincidental? The capsule matches my sweater. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and for today's cafecito, I have another review of a coffee that I haven't tried. I feel like I am so behind on tasting the original line coffees from Nespresso, but we are making up for lost time today. We're going to taste a new coffee, so make sure you stick around for all our coffee reviews, coffee recipes, and coffee adventures. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe. Make sure if you are enjoying our videos, you give them thumbs up, share them with your friends, your family, with Twitter, help get the word out and keep our channel growing. And today we are going to do a review, and I think I have a little recipe for you guys as well, on the Cape Town Lungo, the World Explorations. This one is not a new coffee from Nespresso, but they did kind of rebrand it, renamed it. So yeah, let's give it a try. You guys ready? Okay, like I said, it's not a new coffee from Nespresso. It's been in their line. They just kind of like rebranded, renamed it. I'm not sure what it was called before, actually, but now it's called Cape Town Envivo Lungo. So it was just called Envivo before. This is part of the World Exploration line that they have, kind of coinciding with different cities around the world. This one is an intensity 10, so a little bit more intense. I'm excited. Aromatic profile, intense and roasted, roasty, woody. Ooh, okay. So like I said, it's called Cape Town Envivo Lungo. Cape Town is in Africa. Deep roasted, intense, full-bodied cup with a woody aroma and punchy bitterness. Okay, this one's a little bitter, reminiscent of the Robusta cargo that shaped Cape Town's taste in coffee. A medium wash Mexican Robusta brings a full body, while the dark roast Indian Arabicas lend a punchy, bitter note and characteristically woodsy aroma. That's interesting. Has Mexican Robusta, but it's called Cape Town Lungo. Okay. It says, let's see, add a splash of milk to your long cup and experience the silky texture. Okay, so I'm going to show you the capsule. I'm going to brew it. I'm going to do a taste of it and review of it, just black, and then I'm going to share a recipe with you that I think might be good. Well, after I taste it, we'll see. Maybe not. Might not be so good after I taste it. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, I like it. You guys, did I do this on purpose or is this coincidental? The capsule matches my sweater. It is like kind of like a burnt orange color. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Coincidental? I don't know. Did I mean to do that? I don't know. But yeah, it matches the design, the kind of like geometric design of the box on the capsule itself. It does have the name on it, on the foil. So yeah, let's give this a try. Is my machine on? And I keep saying I'm going to get Lungo cups, but I haven't. So let me know if you guys have a recommendation. I like the ones on the website, but I don't know, maybe I'll look for something different. Okay, let's brew it. This one definitely smells a lot more robust, intense, because it's made out of a Robusta. I definitely smell it. Oh yeah, this one you can smell, definitely smell the woodiness. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty dark. And the crema's not too thick, but I noticed the crema with the original line isn't as thick or foamy as the virtual. Some people like it, some people don't. You know, there's some coffees that the crema is a little bit bitter, but you know what? I just scoop it out. But anyways, let's give it a taste. Okay, this one's definitely stronger, bolder. It's not bitter though. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more bitter because the bitterness is a 4, but acidity is only a 1. Okay, the roastiness is definitely noticeable with this one. Although it's has more roastiness and bitterness, it's still kind of smooth. So I like that. I like that it's smooth and it doesn't have like a weird aftertaste, because I've noticed before, like I've said, some of them have a weird aftertaste. It kind of lingers on your tongue. No, I don't like that. You do taste the roastiness, the woodiness, but it's good. I think this is going to be good for my recipe. So I'm going to get my ingredients. I like this one. I recommend it if you like the more intense coffees. And actually this one, I think I am able to drink it black without cream or sugar. But I think it'll also taste good with cream or sugar. Yeah, I don't know why it says it's a 4 in 4 out of 5 bitterness, because I don't get a lot of bitterness from it, but it could be because it's for the body is more intense. So who knows? All I know is that I like it and you guys should try it out. So let's get ready to make our recipe. So stick around. Okay, so you guys ready for our recipe? The recipe I'm going to share with you is called a Spanish latte. If you've never heard of it, if you've never had it, you guys are going to love it. I think you're going to love it. Basically, a Spanish latte. I had never tried it before. One of our local coffee shops, that's kind of like their signature drink. And when they had their grand opening, they had samples of their pastries, their food, and their coffee. And oh my God. Spanish latte, it was like one of the most delicious things I've ever tasted. I really fell in love. And when I found out what it was, I was like, oh my God, that is so simple, but so good. Spanish latte is, a latte, but you use one of my favorites that I've talked about before, condensed milk. That's all it is. You put condensed milk, your coffee, and your milk, and you have a Spanish latte. It's pretty easy and delicious. So you're gonna need some condensed milk. I like using this brand, La Lechera. It's made by Nestle, and they sell it in the little squeeze bottle now. If you don't find the squeeze bottle, you can use the one in the can. You just have to, find a container for it. But this stuff, you guys, is delicious in your coffee. So you need some sweetened condensed milk and milk of choice. I'm using 2% milk. It's already frothed. It's about, I think I have 4 ounces here. And it's very, very easy to make. Like I said, we're going to put our condensed milk in here. I think I'm using about a tablespoon. You can use as little or as much as you want. And you just put it in there at the bottom. We're going to brew our coffee directly into here because the coffee, the heat will kind of help mix with the condensed milk because it is a little thick and sweet. Okay. Okay. And I know traditionally lattes are made with espresso shots, but a lungo is just a larger espresso shot, right? And this one's a intensity 10, so I think the roastiness, the woodiness, and the intensity of it will go good with our Spanish latte. And as you can see, the layer at the bottom of the condensed milk, yeah, it's just floating. The coffee's just floating on top. So we're going to mix that up a little bit. We're going to add our frothed milk. And yeah, I'm not doing any latte art or nothing like that because this drink, I mean, the coffee shop I go to does really beautiful latte art, but we just want delicious coffee. And sometimes some of the most simple ingredients tend to be the most delicious. Seriously, condensed milk, your espresso coffee of choice, and steamed milk. And there it is, your Spanish latte. You guys, this is like so good. And you can make it as sweet as you like. It tends to be a little bit sweeter. But if you don't like it too sweet, you just want a little bit of hint, add less condensed milk. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. You just have to mix it really, really well. That's really good. The condensed milk is like very sweet but creamy as well. So I think with the sweet condensed milk, regular froth milk, it gives it a really good like creaminess to it. And I'm gonna add a little bit on top because this stuff is so good. I think you could buy this at like most of your local grocery store should have this. I know I've seen it at Walmart, even Target. So make sure you try condensed milk for your coffee. It's just one of those things that it's like goes really well. It's like made, it's like perfectly made for coffee. And definitely try it with the Cape Town Lungo or just regular espresso, 2 shots of espresso, and I think it'll be so good. But definitely do a stronger, more bold, intense coffee because of the sweetness and the milk. I think a darker, bolder coffee will hold it better than a lighter roast or blend. But that's it, guys. If you like our videos, please make sure you're giving us thumbs up. I like seeing those thumbs up. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I love to hear your comments. Let me know what you think about the coffee. Have you tried Cape Town? Do you want to try it? What did you think of it? Have you ever had a Spanish latte? Oh my God, this is so delicious. Let me know. Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. I love reading your comments. It really is a lot of fun for me when I see those comments come up and I read them and I try to reply to everyone as soon as possible. Sometimes I miss a comment, but I do try to reply to all the comments. And if you have questions, you guys, oh, don't forget also, you guys could always follow me on Instagram, same name, at House of Cid. A lot of people that watch the channels here have gone over to Instagram, and some of them have sent me messages, and I've had a couple good little chats with some of you over direct message. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying our videos. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos, giving us thumbs up, subscribing, and we'll see you guys next week. And now it's time to enjoy our cafecito. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.